Hi there, and welcome to Sugar Hiccups. I just got the mail, a little upset, but I'm not going to let it bother me because it came from Shanghai, China. Let's see what I got. So here we have the box unwrapped. I put a sticker over my name. This is a cute little printout that she actually put my name on. And let's take a look at this. I want to keep this intact, so I'm going to cut it like that. And let's take a look at the inside of the box. Nice. Okay, so on Instagram, this is the company that I ordered this from. R.atelier, I'm not sure. So let's see what we have. Looks like there's some washi tape here. Oh, this is cute. This washi tape is open so you can leave messages on it. There's like a fish, there's a kitty cat. Cute. I love how everything is wrapped up. It's like little gifts. I so hate to open I hate to open them, but I want to see them. To and from stamp, that's nice. Another stamp. These are cats. And I believe a ball of yarn. No, I don't think they're cats. I think they're little images of little babies or little people. Nice paper. Very slippery, very pretty. Some stamps. and 2 envelopes. Let's check this one out first. I love this little envelope paper. Oh my goodness, there is so much. She does a box every month. Oh, look how cute. I love all these greens and khakis and kitty cat images and chocolate and animals. This is very unique. This is cute. Daisy petals layer after layer, like a yellow honey sandwich. Cute little pocket envelope. Look at all of this beautiful paper. Westminster Abbey. Christmas. And here's my last envelope that has some more ephemera. Oh wow, lots of tiny ephemera. Look at this. I believe this might be one of my favorite boxes. There are so many things here, so many different textures, and so many different images. Oh, wow. I can make a journal out of just this. And you know, I have a really good journal in my mind. I have not shown it yet, so maybe I will show that and start adding some of these in there. Look at all these stamps. So there we have it, just this wonderful box of ephemera and stickers and paper. I will link her Instagram below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, and hope to see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye. I will link her Instagram below,